Good Tuesday, everyone. Thanks for stopping by Garden State Weather and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, providing superior forecasting for the northern mid-Atlantic region 24 hours a day. I'm forecaster Robert Smith with the video discussion for Tuesday, the 7th of April, 2015. You can probably hear it in my voice this morning, a lot of allergies as the pollen increases across the region. It will be low today during the rain showers, but it will be low on Wednesday, becoming moderate again on Thursday and Friday, and extremely high on Saturday. And this is all due to the flourishment of maple and juniper. And we're going to start out the day mild today, and temperatures will be falling off during the afternoon hours as we have cloudy skies and a wavering frontal boundary just to the north, which will be sliding through northern New Jersey, the New York City metropolitan area over the next couple of hours. Right now it's generally cloudy. The clouds are of the mid-level variety. There's a little bit of light rain falling from those clouds around Kennedy and Newark and Teterboro this morning, also out on Long Island around Shirley and West Hampton. And a little bit of light rain at Newark and Teterboro. Once again, Trenton and Millville, New Jersey, and Wrightstown, New Jersey has a little bit of rain as an area moves through this morning, and then a little dry slot and more rain coming in, more widely scattered showers and a pocket of heavier rain late this afternoon and this evening across most of the New York and New Jersey, Philadelphia metropolitan area. Right now the temperatures are quite mild. They range up around 59 degrees at Central Park and also 54 at LaGuardia. Temperatures are generally running around 50 degrees across most locations and spike to near 60 degrees. Over interior Connecticut, the temperatures are back into the 40s as the cold front is moving through, and also you can see that there is a wind shift here, though this is where the front is right now. We're still on the edge of the frontal boundary, and once the front comes through, these temperature maximums over northern New Jersey and central New Jersey will begin to max out and then cool down as the afternoon progresses. Morning surface chart from weatherroanoke.com and digital atmosphere software shows the frontal boundary wavering as it slowly and begrudgingly passes just to the south of the region over the next couple of hours. This band of light rain showers across eastern Jersey and central and southern New Jersey will be exiting to the east, a little bit more of a dry slot, and then more precipitation coming in. This round of precipitation will be heading in our direction to cover most of the region by late this afternoon through early this evening. Visible pass of the satellite imagery this morning shows the mid-level cloud deck across the region with some enhancement out to the west, and the clouds will begin to lower and thicken. There's not too much of lifting here with this band of rain that's moving across New Jersey and the area this morning, and we'll be heading out. There's much more lifting with this area of isentropic lift, and this lifting in the atmosphere will progress eastward and produce rain showers and moderate stratiform rain across the region by late this afternoon and evening as it heads through the region. We'll get to the latest radar mosaic here, this band of rain moving away and another band of rain coming in for late this afternoon and evening. Watches, warnings, and advisories on the coastal plain. Small craft advisories have been canceled for this morning, but they'll ramp up again by late this afternoon and evening as the wind speeds will increase to near advisory criteria for the end of the period. For Wednesday, the potential for gales. Outside of that, small craft advisories, particularly in the coastal waters of central New Jersey, and during the morning hours, a gale watch has been issued for these areas here and for these areas here, and the small craft advisory conditions outside of the gale watches for 1 to 2 feet above wavelength guidance for wave heights based on the known model bias for northeasterly wind flow. Wednesday night and Thursday, northeasterly winds diminish, but still near 25 knots at the New Jersey coast. Small craft advisories still expected to persist for all the coastal waters with choppy seas of 5 to 8 feet. Southwesterly winds strengthen again on Friday. Small craft advisories again with 40 to 50 knot winds are forecast to develop at the top of the mixed layer and favor some gusts down to the surface. Friday night and Saturday winds become northwesterly behind the cold frontal passage with gusts up to 25 knots, seas 4 to 6 feet Friday night, subsiding to 4 feet or less on Saturday. And on the aviational weather deck this morning, we're basically in VFR. We'll probably stay that way, maybe go down to MVFR or even some IFR later this afternoon and this evening as pockets of rain move into the area. The winds start out of the southwest and they'll change around to the northeast with gusts to around 20 knots late this afternoon and early this evening. For Wednesday through Thursday night, northeasterly winds subsiding a bit after Wednesday. The onshore flow will result in a prolonged stretch of low clouds, periods of rain and drizzle. Expect IFR conditions for the majority of the time. And Friday, IFR ceilings in the morning improve to MVFR and then VFR from the south to north during the day. And then we get into southwesterly winds with gusty conditions, showers possible, and a thunderstorm with a cold frontal passage Friday night. Basically back to VFR with breezy northwest winds on Saturday. Right now outside of Newark, it's 58 degrees and dew point 45, humidity 62%, light rain. And the story today will be the wind shift as the cold front comes through and the cooler air mass in place with at least VFR to MVFR conditions. For Philadelphia right now, it's 57, dew point 50, humidity 77%. There is some light rain around the region, visibility 7 miles. Again, the story today will be the light rain showers this morning exiting, then a period of rain and drizzle moving in for late this afternoon and evening, with conditions lowering to at least MVFR, if not IFR. Morning run of the high-resolution rapid refresh model shows the rain showers exiting this morning, and then a period of more widely scattered showers and even pockets of moderate to heavy rain moving across the region late this afternoon and evening, and that moves off the coast. We're left off with low clouds and some drizzle and fog with a northeasterly wind, and more rain is on the way for Wednesday as well. Starting off with mild temperatures this morning, soaring into the upper 50s and lower 60s, and that will be waxing and waning. And we could even get some temperatures here in the 70s across central and southern New Jersey before the front makes its way through. And cooling will take place rapidly during the afternoon and evening hours as the atmosphere stabilizes, the rain moves in, and the front drifts just to our south. And of course, baseball season's now underway, but it's going to be dodging raindrops over the next couple of days to get games in and out. Here's the GFS forecast going into the future, with the rain becoming more widespread and moderately concentrated across the New Jersey, New York, Philadelphia metropolitan area late this afternoon and evening as a wave of low pressure moves off the coast. Cold front will be moving through. We can see the cold air signature damming east side of the Appalachians. If the next precipitation round comes in during Wednesday night and Thursday, could be some localized periods of spotty rain showers and drizzle outside of pockets of moderate rain. And then the front comes through. We have a cold front that will be moving through the area with area of low pressure across the Great Lakes. This will be driving through the New Jersey, New York metropolitan area on Friday, or very warm sectored, very mild. And then we cool it off with a cold front and rain showers and possibly an isolated thunderstorm moving through Friday night and Saturday morning. And that moves off the coast with high pressure and relatively seasonal air moving in across the region for the weekend, so we keep things dry. And then we ramp it up with warming conditions early next week and more rain showers on the way from Monday night, probably into Tuesday, as another cold front approaches from the west. So definitely keep your umbrella handy and your nasal sprays too, because the flourishment of pollen is definitely quite noticeable outside. For everything live, it's Garden State Weather, gardenstateweather.blogspot.com, Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. I'm forecaster Robert Smith. You have a pleasant Tuesday. We'll be back in video form on Wednesday morning.